There's no one here but you, Katie. But Mom, Annabelle's right here. Is that Annabelle? Okay. Annabelle says she likes you. Okay, I guess Annabelle is your imaginary friend. Oh. Yes, baby, it's totally normal. It's time to go to bed, okay? It's late. Good night, Mommy. Good night, Katie. Good night, Annabelle. Good night, Annabelle. Kids. Who are you talking to? Eh? Ngozi. She's here. She's my imaginary friend. Oh! Can you still see any imaginary winch there? Who is there with you? Jesus.
Hey!
Good. Now, sleep. Good night. Say good night, Jesus. Good night, Jesus. Good. Just imaginary friend. Go and so.
My lord,
Counsel.
I am Professor Barrister Titus, the academic juggernaut and legal luminary. You see, first and foremost, let me vociferously and vehemently regurgitate my point of view vis-a-vis this case.
English no go kill you.
It is a Pantagruelian and Gargantuan and cornucopia of embarrassment reigned on this honorable court that we are standing here waiting for the barrister of the accused for a month of Sunday and donkey hours, and he has not turned up to this honorable court.
Mr. John.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a legal representative?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have.
This man!
I'm sorry for coming late. He has a legal representative.
Okay.
Who is really in charge?
I must fall with all my niggas about.
Osas! Nasty! Osas, why you dey sweep?
I mean no.
Osas, now your girlfriend supposed to sweep, no be you.
You know the say she dey do makeup. If I no do am, my baby go vex.
Osas, now you be the alpha for this relationship. Osas, alpha. Osas, now you be the alpha.
Babe! Your phone is ringing.
I said wait for me. Odogu no dey sweep o. Odogu no. Hey! Frosh, you dey pick beans?
Baby, fast now.
Una no be man. Una no be man. How can women be controlling men? At this 21st century? Just men are just be controlling people anyhow.
My anaconda don't.
What it be this?
Anaconda don't.
What it be this?
Unless you got buns, honey.
Jesus.
Used to live in Detroit. Big dope, stealing money. He was cheating for coins. Where's the shootouts with the law? He lived in a palace. Bought me Alex and the McQueen. He was keeping me stylish. Now that's real. Gun in my purse, bitch, I came just a kid.
say you go carry 7 days. Fine girl. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are beautiful.
Oh, you're so handsome as well.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, not at all. I don't. Why would I have a boyfriend right now?
Why are you following me?
I thought you said you just liked me.
No, not sir. Like I said, do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't. You could be my boyfriend.
I know they be.
I could just give you your fiance.
But why you why they follow me?
I'm not following you. I totally like you.
No, me, I don't like you. Don't worry.
Well, I love you so much already.
Why they follow me?
I'm not following you.
Without you, no, baby. Who be the next person? You the man. If 2 is raised to power x times 9 raised to power 2x is equals to 3 raised to power x, find the value of x raised to power 3x. You give me that equation, I found the value of 3 raised to power x. Didn't I find it? I find it good. Now my question is, why did I graduate after finding the value of 3 raised to power x? Why did I graduate and I'm selling power bank? Okay, the power in the 3 raised to power x is power bank. No, talk to me. Am I flogging? I will not touch. Fine. Why did I graduate and I'm selling power bank? Talk to me, Oga. Talk to me. Just come. I will not flog. Did I look like a... Why am I selling power bank?
No. So, Vinci.
Everybody lie down. Lie down. I don't do. Lie down.
Chibike.
Yeah! I said lie down.
Is you not Chibike?
I'll give you slap. Ah! How do you know it's me?
I'm not gonna know why they change polo. Every time one polo. I'm not gonna say na you.
I will give you slap now.
Where you go?
We have. I know say na carry you one bag or you collect.
You all no go lost. I will give you slap.
Precious.
God have mercy upon us.
What is that? What is that?
I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
Contract! What is that? What is the contract? What is the
I don't want peace.
No. So, Vinci. Please let me fetch water, please.
You're in a hurry?
Yes.
I have to fetch you fast.
No. So, Vinci. The mother that murdered my mother.
Just have fun now. I will fetch water there. I go work like this now. Don't late.
Okay, me I no get where they go.
Chibike, allow him fetch now. He's going to work. He cannot go anywhere. Okay, if you bath now, where you won't go? No, they go anywhere. You're actually jobless. Let him just fetch the water. Even a person will get where in they go, they bath.
Oh, guys, you say your paper is not complete. Wait for me. Okay, where the affidavit of this car? Where do you swear?
I get them. Jesus.
Okay, where you buy this car?
US.
Where the international passport of this car?
Can they get passport?
Okay, bring it or you enter this motor. Let's go to station.
I know your problem. I get them.
You get them?
Yeah.
Okay, I know say very soon this tire go spoil. You go buy new tire. Where the receipt of the future tire?
Now I won't spoil my tire.
Okay, where the receipt of the future tire that you buy?
You be like say like problem.
You get them? Okay, you know say very soon you go use this car gas then.
I know.
Where the receipt of the person where you jam?
Okay, for person who never jam.
Okay, where the receipt or know the go station?
Okay, you have problem. I see and hear.
You still get them?
I get them.
Mr. Calculus, we learned that you quit your police job to do this work. So can you tell us why?
Police work no they pay again. Nigerians are becoming too smart. All the papers that they get them, even the ones will never happen, future ones. Wait. No be mic be this.
Is it mine?
Where is the paper for this mic?
I have it.
Don't worry, they good.
Alright, thank you.
And they never leave you.
No. So, Vinci.
Good afternoon.
I beg you one buy sugar.
See, I will give you some.
Chioma. This is my customer.
See, I'll first warn your mama before. Are you mad?
It's okay. I don't like this thing, Chioma.
No vex.
I don't like this thing.
Anytime I come here, you say I want to buy sugar. So I cannot buy another thing.
Don't cry.
What do you want to buy?
Give me sugar.
Fuck am. No say no fit pass sugar.
I'll wound you now.
No fit pass sugar. But as you dey take sugar, your life is still sweet.
If person life no sweet.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
See, tell Mama Choma me no find Choma again for this life.
No. So, Vinci.
Chibike, good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, my love, my sweetheart, and my darling.
See, if you don't stop this rubbish, I'll give you slap before I go tell your mama.
This is playing.
I swear.
Chibike, what do you want to do?
I want to brush.
Why you go dey brush?
You be mumu.
If you brush finish, now wait till you want chop. No, nah. If you brush finish, you get food for house. Have you never hear? Na person will get food for house, they brush.
Mama Choma. Please, you have yellow garlic.
As I don't date my sister like this, anybody will find a trouble, Mona come meet me. In fact, Mona will find trouble. God. See, now that one, I find our job. Yes, that day, he say he go pick up. Yes, yes. 9 minutes. Yes, 9. Now you threaten my brothers. Yes, now you threaten my brothers for this anger. See, give my phone. See, my brother go discipline you. Hello, Osakbola, carry my beret and tools. Come 44th Street. They come. No, you don't cast. I want to keep person like this.
What have I done myself?
I begin me, hold on.
You never know who you walk on.
So you know that. finish you today, you know why they call me master of them all.
You be mumu. You be use your function to.
When I jiggy you, you know why they call me single to the bones.
You are bad.
Are you ready? Let's go.
Wait, don't rush. Let's make this more romantic.
Okay.
Why don't you start by giving me head first?
Are you? I should give you head.
You be mumu.
See, I've not done it before, but because of you, I will.
This evening you will die.
Are you ready? Open.
Jesus! You are doing nothing.
Jesus!
Please help me! Please, somebody help me!
Funny people.
God have mercy.
Oga, I don't tell you time without number. No, they said 55,000 naira, one chippy tank. Now 30,000 naira, and now the last time I go collect is that. Carry your water, they go your water. This is your last water. I will not come here again. No.
But why did you let that go? No, what naira give you?
100 naira, no before you don't fetch. No come here again. No. I dey sell ordinary water. You don't forget say my water they heal sick. My brother.
Aqua single.
Funny people.
Oga na 30,000 I dey sell last.
Now pay attention. Where are you going to now?
I don't get money to pay for attention.
Jesus!